In the quest for radical remedies, one Hollywood doctor is making headway with an unbelievable procedure.
The most common reaction that I get with a patient when I tell them how this procedure works is, "You're gonna do what?"
Chiropractor Dr. Adam Del Torto specializes in cranial adjustment to help patients with sinus problems, headaches, and allergies.
The skull is made up of 22 individual bones. What most people don't realize is necessary for them to move to allow for the expansion and relaxation of the skull during respiration.
Dr. Adam pioneered a therapy he calls Cranial Facial Release.
This technique incorporates the use of tiny balloons that are carefully inserted in the nose and quickly inflated to open up the breathing passageways and mobilize the bones of the face and cranium.
Balloons, up the nose. Sounds like something your mother warned you about as a kid. Tim Adams is a former college football player who now works with professional athletes as a performance enhancement coach. Tim suffers from a condition known as post-concussion syndrome.
One of my most famous clients had to get out of the league because of it. Could have played probably an additional 5 years, but unfortunately at the time I didn't know about this technique.
Okay, we're gonna have you take a deep breath, let it out, and then you're gonna hold it on the second breath. And out, and in, and hold.
You kind of feel some expansion in your face and then a tremendous amount of relief after that.
Most people that come in for cranial facial release technique come in as last resort patients. They've tried everything else first.
This by far is the most potent and powerful adjustment or technique that I've ever experienced. It is the only technique where I had relief.
This procedure should not be mistaken for sinuplasty, which is a medical procedure done under anesthesia, where they actually insert the balloon into the sinus cavity and inflate it. This procedure inserts the balloon into the nasopharynx, which is the opening between the nose and the throat. So it's a completely different procedure.
A series of CFR treatments will set you back around $800, compared to more than $10,000 for sinuplasty. As a practice goalie for the LA Kings, Paulie Costa often uses his head to block hockey pucks fired at 100 miles an hour.
Needless to say, I had a few headaches and it's a lot of pressure.
Today is Paulie's first experience with cranial facial release.
2, okay, just relax. Deep breath, and hold it. Oh my God. Are you okay?
Whoa!
Good job.
Dude, that was awesome.
That cracking sound means it worked.
It's basically a chiropractic adjustment for the entire skull.
Ow! Wow! Oh my God! For real, dude! It was like an X game in my head. Was. Totally. Snap, crackle, pop,
Did you
dude.
hear that?
Holy cow.
That was a lot of cracking.
After they've gone through 3 to 4 to 5 series of it, it's a permanent result.
You're awesome. You're the man.
Wow. Holy cow. Oh my God.
Give me some love. The bottom line is that chiropractic works. And in a lot of cases, it's the only thing that works.
All right, I'll see you. Good job.